So, GTO LS2. I was in the midst of replacing the camshaft and crankshaft sensors and started putting my crap back together. Realized that I did not replace that little doohickey right there. That little tensioner, I hate it so much because it squealed so bad, and I replaced belts and it kept squealing and squealing. Took the belt off, and through trial and error I found out that that was it. So just a quick little tidbit. Bought this little pulley. Here's the part number right here. This is not, oh wait, this is made in Canada. I thought it was in China. Cool. I guess Canada's better than China, maybe. Automatic tensioner. So I'm gonna throw that on right quick, you know, give you the sizes and everything of my sockets that I use, make it a little easier for you guys. All right, be back. All right, so size 13 came out pretty easy. One right there. This is definitely rusty and crusty. This is a new one. This was already apart, so I guess the only thing that I could recommend is taking out your fan. And like I said, all this is already apart from the camshaft position sensor. And yep, size 13 came out pretty good. I'm gonna throw a tiny bit of grease on it and on the bolt, put it back in just because that's what I do. And yeah, I mean, I just felt like making a video since it was already out and I had to do it anyway. But all right, I might do a throw together one once it's all back together. And the new one on, that went on pretty good, smooth. Discovered that this says made in Canada as well, so I don't feel so bad. You know, Americans like American parts, part nuts and things, but that's interesting. Well, whatever.